1979 K5 Blazer series on TikTok, part 4. Hit it. Now I know this doesn't look as bad as the other side, and I'm not a gambling man, but I would put money on this side being the worst of the two. I can feel it. Boy, that thing is just gone. Oh, wow. Did that even get welded? Oh, okay. You laugh until you screw it up and you can't redo it. State the obvious. Okay, a lot more clamps this time, but this side really wanted to tuck when I cut that. So I gotta risk losing my clamps when I do this, but it is what it is. Okay. All right, time for the young gun. You ready for more?
Yep.
All right. Take your time, go nice and slow. There you go, that was a good one. Good. What do you think? You got it pretty good? Want me to take care of the rest? You've been doing really good. Well, I had the grinder in my hand and decided I'd see what my curiosity could drum up, and my hunch was right. I have a problem. Somebody buried a lot of sins in there with Bondo. So it looks like I'm gonna need a rocker, a section of the corner, and a little creativity, and we'll get through that. So that'll be the next go around. I'll have to take off the front clip to get to that though. I'll throw some epoxy on what we got finished there, and then that'll be good for now. And we'll move on to part 5. So hope you guys are digging it. Thanks for watching.